Hi lovely people, today I will show you on how to make Kentucky Fried Chicken. Sounds yummy, doesn't it? So follow me and watch this video. Okay, for the coating you'll need some plain flour and some Kentucky powder. I normally use the Texas company. It's hot and spicy. You can get all sorts of flavours, but I find this flavour more tastier. I have tried many ranges of Kentucky powder and they all taste salty. This particular one is not as salty. Okay, today I'll be using one baby chicken. I'm adding in my vinegar first. Once I've added in the vinegar, I'll be adding in my milk. The milk itself softens the chicken as well as the vinegar. Okay, now I'll be adding in my crushed chilies. Okay, now I'll be mixing everything together, making sure the chicken is coated well. Okay, this is what your chicken should look like. Make sure you prod each chicken piece with a fork. So you want to let all the juices and the flavours go inside the chicken. Okay, now what I've done is I've mixed my Kentucky powder with some flour. And I'll push the powder onto one side and keep the chicken onto the other side. So this is my chicken, which I had marinated for a good few hours. You can do it one night before. If you do it a night before, it's a better effect, but I've done mine for a couple of hours. Okay, so you coat the chicken like that, making sure every bit of the chicken is coated. You do that for every piece. Okay, make sure you cover the chicken really well with a coating. This is a very quick and easy recipe for fried chicken. Rather than eating from outside, you're better off making it from home. You know which ingredients you are using, and it's a lot more healthier than the outside takeaway chickens that you get from shops. I prefer making my fried chicken at home. And not only that, you know where the chicken is from and you've cleaned the chicken yourself, and you feel quite satisfied eating it, knowing the fact that you've made it and you've used all fresh ingredients. Believe me, after eating this recipe, you wouldn't want to buy fried chicken from outside. It tastes so fresh. Okay, once you've coated all your chicken, make sure your oil is hot before you add your chicken in. Once you've added in your chicken, you will lower your heat down because you want to cook the chicken from the inside. If you cook it on a very high heat, you'll have your coating cooked and the chicken raw from the inside. What I normally do is that I would fry it and then I would put it into a pot and then let it steam into the oven for a while. If I am using boneless chicken, which I normally do cut in small pieces, you wouldn't need to put it in the oven to steam it because the chicken itself would cook so quick. But if you are cooking a chicken from a bone, especially if you're using drumsticks or thighs, they take a bit longer to cook than the breast piece. So be a bit mindful when you are cooking your chicken because you don't want to serve your family raw chicken. Okay, make sure when you do stir your chicken, you stir it very, very slowly. What you would do is get the oil and just lightly fry it over your chicken. And make sure you don't have a heavy hand when you stir the chicken. So make sure all your chicken is coated with oil. Right, you can see the chicken is cooking really nice. This is what it should be looking like. You want to have a nice crispy golden piece of chicken. Okay, if you feel that there are some areas of your chicken that's not got the Kentucky powder on or it's fallen off, lightly coat your chicken with the powder and just throw the oil on top like the way I've just done now. Okay, at this stage make sure you are preheating your oven, so when your chicken is ready, you're ready to put it into the oven. You want your oven to be nice and warm before you add the chicken in. So here I've just put some more Kentucky powder in. I think it needed another layer. So you gently throw the oil over your chicken like this, really gently, and just let it cook. Okay, at this stage you'll be able to see the nice golden colour forming on your chicken like this. So cook it until it's a little bit more brown than that. Okay, my chicken is ready. My pot is ready with the foil in it. So make sure you put every piece into that pot and make sure you do put the foil in, because the foil works as a very good insulator when you put it into the oven, so it'll steam in really nicely with the foil. So make sure you have the foil in your pot. And this is what my chicken is looking like so far. It's nice and brown, golden brown. Okay, my chicken is all ready to be placed into the oven. While your chicken is cooking away, now you are ready to make your salad. So cut your lettuce like this, very fine. Then you place it into the colander, ready to be washed. Okay, I'm ready to cut my tomato. Make sure you cut your tomato into very thin pieces. Moving on, I'll be cutting my pepper. Right, first of all, I will take all my seeds out and I'll be cutting it into strips like this. Moving on, I'm ready to cut my cucumber. Firstly, I'll be taking off the plastic. Okay, now you're going to put all your salads and vegetables into the colander like this, and then you'll be ready to wash it. So mix it first and then you can wash it. Okay, at this stage I'll be adding in my sweet corn. Once I've added that in, I'm going to wash it like this. Make sure you wash it properly. I do like a clean salad. Okay, now I'll be adding in my coriander. So I'll wash your coriander before you add that in, making sure it's washed really well. Okay, once it's all cut, you mix it like this. Okay, my yummy chicken is ready. Look how delicious that looks. Nice golden fried chicken. That does look very tasty. Okay, the chicken's done. Now you can warm up some tortilla wraps. Okay, now I am ready to serve up my chicken. And this is what my lovely spread looks like. So we've got nice fried chicken, some beautiful salad and some curly fries and some tortilla wraps. Okay, when I've put everything together, this is what my plate should look like. That's my lovely spread. So you can make your plate however way you like. Enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. I hope my video is a good inspiration to yourselves. Think how fresh homemade food is. It wasn't hard to make fried chicken, was it? Do leave a comment on what you thought about my video. And please think twice before you buy fried chicken. Think about how easy it is to cook at home. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you enjoyed it.